Welcome to another video of Ekcel Academy. Today we are here to look at few of the simplest concepts of direct taxes. Now let us first look at assessment year. This is something which we often hear. In fact, very recently would have seen or heard ads by the income tax department asking us to file the return of income for a particular assessment year. Therefore, what exactly is an assessment year? It is nothing but a period of 12 months commencing on 1st of April every year. That means what? For instance, when did the period of 12 months commence recently? It commenced on 1st of April 2018. 12 months from 1st of April, that is, in this case it would be till 31st March 2019. So that period is nothing but the assessment year itself. In other words, a period of 12 months commencing on 1st of April every year is nothing but the current financial year itself. For example, if someone asks you what is the assessment year, you can always refer to the current financial year. In this case, the current financial year is 2018-19 and that itself is the assessment year. And we would be filing the return of income in that assessment year.